Do not do this fasting. Danger. 1. Take anti-inflammatory drugs. Aspirin, paracetamol and other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, should not be taken on an empty stomach. Doing so not only reduces its efficiency, but can also cause serious health problems, for example, gastric bleeding. About other medications not to be taken on an empty stomach, read here. 2. Drink coffee. Coffee, including decaffeinated coffee, stimulates acid production, and if taken on an empty stomach can cause heartburn and other problems in the digestive tract. If in the morning, after breakfast, you also do not eat breakfast, you can cause a serotonin deficiency, and this guarantees that you are in a bad mood throughout the day. 3. Drinking alcohol. Fasting alcohol intake increases twofold, which can be compared with the introduction of alcohol intravenously. The elimination of alcohol components is slower, resulting in a stronger and stronger hangover. The effect of drunkenness so fast in the body does not pass without affecting the liver, heart and kidneys. 4. Chewing gum. The hydrochloric acid that occurs when chewing affects the mucosa of the empty stomach. And if you do it often, this can end up causing gastritis. It has also been scientifically proven that after chewing gum, people prefer unhealthy foods, for example potato chips, rather than vegetables and fruits. 5. Go to sleep. Sleeping more than 9 hours a day can cause Alzheimer's. The sensation of hunger and a low level of glucose prevent us from sleeping and lead to superficial sleep and an early awakening. It is curious that lack of sleep increases the levels of the hunger hormone. That's why, after giving up the dinner, the